That was simply amazing. You can create this progress chart in Excel without programming. And let me tell you that you are going to do it today, as I'm going to teach you as to how you can prepare this progress chart in Excel. So let's go. But you must have subscribed my channel by now. So guys, the best thing is that there is nothing to download. So we are gonna prepare everything from scratch, and that too very quickly. So this is a blank workbook, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove all of the grid lines. Now go to Insert and then go to Insert Shapes and insert a donut. So just draw it. Don't worry about the dimensions. I'm going to tell you. So for this one, go to Shape Format and change the size to 2.2 for both height and width. Right click on it, go to Format Shape, go to Fill, click on the Gradient Fill, and you can see the setting for the first one. Select the color which is in the middle of this black row, and the brightness is set to -50%. So as I have already practiced this video multiple times, so I think the settings is now saved into the Excel. So for the second one, you have to have 4 areas. For the second area or the gradient stop, it's the darkest color. This is the darkest color, and the brightness is set to -90%. So that is the only change. Then again, it's the first one, just like the first one, and this is just like this second one. So this is how you will see a metallic appearance of this tire or the donut. Just copy it again. We do not want any line for this one. Go to line and no line. I think it goes the same for this one as well. No line. So for this one we need 3.2. So just increase it to 3.2. Otherwise you can have your own dimensions. This is the size which I prepared myself. So this is 3.2. And just reduce or increase the donut hole. This would be, I think, enough. So you can have your progress coming from any of the other sheet, like it's the list of items or the list of tasks you have to complete, and then you can calculate the percentage on it. So let's assume that this is the value which is coming from another sheet. So these will be the 2 dimensions required for. So you can see that as I have changed the size of the columns and rows, the size of the shapes is also changing. So we need to fix this first. So right click on it. So it's already there, and we just have to go to this dimensions tab and click on size and lock aspect ratio. And do not move. Do not move or size with cells. Do the same with the small donut and lock aspect ratio. So in this way your shapes will remain intact. You can insert it from all commands. From here you can just right click on it, customize ribbon, and all commands. And in the S, you can just scroll down and there is a select. So this is the option, select objects. So you can have it whenever you want to select multiple objects. So we have the completed task percentage is equal to 80 by 100. So this is a percentage, and the remaining task will be 1 minus this percentage. So just change the format to percentage. And now we are going to insert, just select this new data, go to insert, go to your chart and click on the donut chart, and now just format it just the way I am going to do it. remove the chart title, remove the legends, and for the size, select it to 2.6. For the fill part, shape fill, select no fill. Now for the remaining part, we do not want to see it, so the fill will be blank and the outline will also be blank. Now coming to the interesting part, and you will know that this is pretty innovative. Write X, write Y. So under X just write 0 and then 1. Let me have this centralized so that you can understand as to what I am writing. So for X, you are going to write sine formula. I never thought that I will be using these sine, cos, tan formulas ever in my life after my education. So here it is. So this is the sine formula. Just refer to the remaining task percentage, multiply it by 2, then multiply it with the pi formula. I don't know how or what it does, but this is what we are going to do it. Just insert the brackets, blank, and close it. So just copy it to the cell under Y, and we are going to change the sine formula to the cos formula. So our data is ready, and we are going to click on the donut chart and go to chart design, select data and click add. We are going to add another series. So just refer to any of the cell, and for the value just refer to any of the cell. Right click on the new series we have added, click change series chart type, and you will see the combo chart option. And for the second series, change the chart type to scatter plot and press OK. So this is something you will see here. So before we remove these axes, click on one of the axes. We have selected the Y axis, then go to the options. I'm going to minimize the ribbon. So go to the axis option, and for the minimum, write minus 1.15, and for the maximum, it's 1.15. Just follow it, don't ask questions. So minimum again minus 1.15 and maximum 1.15. So what we have done is that we have created a chart like this, a graph like this. So any percentages are going to be plotted in all of the 4 quadrants of the graph. So you will have to remember some of the mathematics, but not for the moment. So now I'm going to delete these axes. We do not need any of these. And also all of the major and minor grid lines. Click on the dot. You can see, go to format in the format data series option. Click marker, and for the marker, increase its size to 35 or 36, and you can now easily see it. For the fill part, it's solid fill, and we can choose the color of our option. We do not need any line. Go to shadows, and we want it bottom left corner. The scatter plot dot is selected. Go to chart design, select data, and now we are going to select the actual data for the second series. Click edit, and you can select both of these X and Y cells. Go to series X values. So these are the X values. And then these are the Y values, and press OK and OK. For the second dot, we do not need the shadow because we want it to get merged into the donut chart. So just remove the shadow and click on the donut chart, only the part which is visible. Go to format series and change the color to the theme, and for the line you can see that this is the border option. So for the line we can have 18 or 17.75. You can judge yourself as to which one adjusts to your requirement, and it should be a solid fill. It's not white, so it's this one. Just click on the chart you have created, or the combo chart should I say, and just remove the outline. So we do not need any outline. And let's see if it adjusts well to the environment. So we just have to reduce the size of the central donut. We can bring it above, bring to front. So I think this will be fine. Just have to reduce or increase the hole size a bit. So we have ensured that it is not visible until unless it's a blank area or incompleted area. So now click the scatter plot dots, click the plus sign and enable the data labels. Don't worry, we are going to format this as well. Click on it and click on the options, and we want value from the cells which will be or completed and remaining task, and press OK. Just remove the Y value, and for the centralize option we have to make it center. We do not want the incomplete percentage. If you want it, you can keep it. Click on the completed percentage and change its format to white so that it's visible, and the size to, let's say, 14 or 12, and make it bold. And to make it look more interesting, because the overall themes work for any dashboard or charts, so just select the background and change the background color to black. So you will see that the overall theme makes it more visible. So if I change this to, let's say, 70, so the donor chart moves accordingly. But there is just one thing left. If it is not coming from anything and I want to see how it moves, so instead of just punching in figures here, I can go to the developer tab and insert a spin button. So here is the spin button. Right click on it, format control, and the maximum value will be 100. Let's say the current value is 50, and the cell link will be the cell in which we have the completed percentage or the amount. So right click on it and move it to the chart area. So it will seem like it is a set of this complete chart. So now you can just click on it and see the chart moving. And just one thing, you can select all of these elements we have created, including the chart and the spin button, and go to properties and group them together. Now it is a single chart which can be moved to any area of your dashboard, and it will work pretty fine. So I hope you must have liked how easy it was to make such a wonderful and beautiful looking and attractive looking donor chart. So give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, because I'm going to make at least another video or at max 2 videos to teach you these beautiful dials as well.